Hi everybody, this is an update for the buddy build with me and Keith. As you can see, I do have the body painted. The one drawback is that was supposed to be red. It was supposed to be red with a color shift of blue, with a blue hue to it. This is the actual paint I used. It's not to me, it's just a bottle. This is the actual bottle. Now when you dilute that and you spray it, you'd think it'd come out red, but it came out like this. So there is a weird hue of red in there, and it does not look like a color shift. It looks more like a blue car and a dirty car at the same time. So quite unfortunately, I think I am going to just respray it with the airbrush, go over with a red coat. I do have a top coat that is a color shift that I probably end up using, and I don't think it's really a color shift. I think it's just a like a holographic coating. And hopefully I have better luck with it that way. The paint does look alright as a blue, but I really didn't want this car to be a blue car. I've painted so many blue and green cars that they're starting to unbalance the rest of them. Most of my builds are that way. I have a few red builds, but you know, this one I really wanted to build this car the way I want it, or would want one in real life. And if I had this car in real life, it'd be red. So I kind of got bamboozled on that. It coming out blue. But it's still not a done deal. I still have opportunity to fix it. I have been resin casting some parts. One of the kits I have has racing seats that look like this. This one here is the painted version. This one is actually a resin casted one. And until next time, I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great day. Bye.